Hello friends, welcome to my channel Math segment. In today's class, we'll solve few more multiple choice questions from the chapter Quadratic Equation, which is based on SSLC Board Exam 2021. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Let's solve the next question. The roots of the quadratic equation 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So in this question we have to find the roots of the quadratic equation. So as we know, the roots we can find is two roots we can find, that is from the given equation 6x square minus x minus 2. So this can be solved by using four methods. So among this I am going to use today is factorization method, which is the most easiest method. So let us take in the first term the coefficient of x square is 6 and in the last term the constant value is 2. So 6 2s are 12. So take the factors of 12 so that when you multiply you have to get 12 and when you add or subtract you have to get the middle term. So to get the middle term, that is coefficient of x is 1. To get 1, what are the factors we can take? We can take 4 and 3. 4 3s are 12. So these are the two factors for 12. Now here whatever the sign comes in between the first term and the second term, take that sign and put it to the greater number. So which is a greater number? 4 is the greater number. So you can put minus to that greater number. So when you add or subtract, you have to get minus 1. You have to get minus 1. So now these numbers you are adding or subtracting. So here we are going to subtract. So when you subtract only you will get minus 1. So then we have to put for this number opposite sign. Here if you have put minus, you put here plus if you are subtracting. If you are adding, you have to put the same sign. Now in this case we are subtracting, so we are putting opposite sign. And what is the variable in the middle term? It is x. So put the variable for both the terms. Now the meaning of this splitting term is the middle term. The middle term we have split it into minus 4x plus 3x. So let us take down. So 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. First term we have copied as it is. The last term we have copied as it is. But the middle term we have split into the terms whatever we have given the factors. Those factors we are writing here. Let us group the terms. Now here 6 and 4 goes in which table? It goes in two tables. So the variable here x is common. So 2 goes in 6 3 times x minus 2 goes in 4 2 times. Already x is out. And here there is no factors common for 3 and 2. So we can take 1. So 1 goes in 3 times, that is x, plus into minus 1 goes into 2 times. So that is equal to 0. So here is within the bracket, if you are getting the same binomial, then it is correct. So here what is inside the bracket? That is 3x minus 2. It is in 2 times, but we have to take only once. Outside the bracket what do you have? 2x, and outside this bracket you have plus 1 is equal to 0. The meaning of this is 3x minus 2 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So I am keeping this 3x as it is. I am sending minus 2 that side. So it will become plus 2. Similarly here 2x I am keeping as it is. Plus 1 I am sending that side. So it became minus 1. So we don't want 3x. We want x value. So x is equal to 2 and 3 comes down. So x value is 2 by 3. Here also similarly we don't want 2x. We want only x. So minus 1 by 2. So one root is 2 by 3, another root is minus 1 by 2. The option here is 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 2. So here it is minus 1 by 2 and here it is 2 by 3. So you can choose B option as the correct answer. Let's solve the next question. The altitude of a right angle triangle is 7 centimeters less than its base. Altitude means height of a right angle triangle is 7 centimeters less than its base. That means if you know the base, then we can write the height of the right angle triangle. So first we will draw the right angle triangle and we name it as A, B, C. Now we don't know the base, so we are taking it as x. And what is the height? 7 centimeters less than its base. Our base is x, so 7 centimeter less than its 7 centimeter less than its base. So it is x minus 7 and hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. By using Pythagoras formula, we will substitute the value, that is AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. AB square is what? X minus 7 whole square plus BC square is x whole square. AC square is 13 whole square. X minus 7 whole square is in the form of A minus B whole square, which is A square minus 2AB plus B square. So here A value is x and B value is 7. We'll substitute in the formula. A is, that is x whole square minus 2 into x into 7 plus B square is 7 square plus this x square is remaining is equal to 13 square is 169. So here x into square is x square minus 2 into x is 2x into 7 is 14x plus 7 square is 49 plus x square minus 169 is equal to 0. So the like term is x square and x square. So we can take 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 is minus 120 is equal to 0. This entire equation, either you can divide it by 2 because the coefficient of x square is 2 and the factors of all these terms are also 2. So we can divide it by 2, or one more method, you can take the common factor. So if you take out the common factor, that means 2 goes here into 1 time, so it is x square, plus into minus minus 2 goes in 14 7 times, plus into minus minus 2 goes in 120 60 times. So this becomes your factorization. So that is x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. So to factorize, we have to take the coefficient of x square is 1 and the constant value is 60. So first term is 1 and the last term is 60. So 1 into 60 is 60. So that means to get 60, I have to find the factors, so that if you multiply, you have to get 60. If you add or subtract, you have to get the middle term. If you multiply, you have to get the last term. If you add and subtract, you have to get the middle term. So I can take the factors as 12 and 5. So whatever sign is here, I can put that sign for the greater number. The greater number is 12, so I can take here as minus, and the smaller number is, so I am adding or subtracting to get 7. I am subtracting these numbers to get 7. So I have to put opposite sign. I have put here minus, so I put plus. So that gives you minus 7. And what is the variable here? It is x and x. So the easiest way of doing is, we have found out the factors. Now we can choose the option. Just see whether these numbers are there in the option. So these numbers are there in the option. So straight away what we can do, instead of minus 12, we can choose as 12. Instead of plus 5, I can make it as minus 5. That means the roots are 12 and minus 5. So C option is correct. Suppose if you have any doubt whether it is correct or not, then you can solve this sum by factorization method and you can get the roots. That means here you can find the roots. X square, here you are getting minus 12x plus 5x, because 7x we have split it into 2x and 5x, and the last term is minus 60 is equal to 0. I am grouping the terms. So now here the common factor is x. So x minus 12 plus 5 is common. So x minus 12 is equal to 0. See, within the bracket it is, both the terms are same. So here I'll take once x minus 12, and outside the bracket it is x, and outside the bracket here it is plus 5 is equal to 0. The meaning of this is x minus 12 is equal to 0 and x plus 5 is equal to 0. So that means x is equal to, I am sending 12 that side, so it became plus 12, and one more root, it is plus 5, I am taking that side, it is minus 5. So the option C is the correct answer. Let's solve the next question. By applying quadratic formula, the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is. So this question is also similar to the previous question, but here they have mentioned you have to use quadratic formula. So I am using the formula because it is in the quadratic formula. So I am taking x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So from the given equation, we can find the values of A, that is A is 2, B is -7 and C is 3. So I'll substitute the formula. So X is equal to, in the formula it is minus, whereas B value also it is -7, plus of minus. B is again -7 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3 divided by 2A. Sorry, A value is 2. So now X is equal to, minus into minus is +7, plus or minus, -7 whole square is 49, minus into plus is minus, minus into plus is minus, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 divided by 4. So X is equal to 7 plus or minus square root of 49 minus 24 is 25 divided by 4. So now let us substitute this. So X is equal to 7 plus or minus square root of 25 is 5 divided by 4. So the meaning of this is one root will be 7 plus 5 divided by 4 and another root will be 7 minus 5 divided by 4. So here X is equal to 7 plus 5 is 12 divided by 4 and X is equal to 7 minus 5 is 2 divided by 4. 4 goes in 12 3 times, 2 goes here 1 time, 2 goes here 2 times. So X value is 3 and 1 by 2. That means one root is 3 and the other root is half. So here the option B is the correct answer. Let's solve the next question. Find the discriminant of the equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0 and write the nature of the roots. So we know how to find the discriminant of the root of the equation and the nature of the roots of the equation. So here our discriminant is delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. And from the given equation we know the value of a is 2, b is -5 and c is 3. So let us start solving the formula. So delta is equal to b square. B square is nothing but -5 whole square. -4 into a is 2, c is 3. So delta is equal to -5 whole square is 25 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So here the delta value is 1. This is nothing but the discriminant. Discriminant is 1. And now you have to write the nature of the roots. So what is the nature of the roots if it is 1? That is delta is greater than 0. So here the option A is the correct answer because delta A is equal to 0 and C option delta A is greater than or equivalent to 0. So that's why A option is the correct answer. Find the sum of the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. So here the sum of the roots of the quadratic equation, the formula is minus b by a. So that means sum of the roots of quadratic equation is equal to minus b by a. So now the given equation here is, from this I can know the a and b value. A is 1, b is -6 and c is 5. So I can substitute the value in the formula. It is minus. So minus b value is -6 and a value is 1. Minus into minus is plus 6 by 1 is 6 only. So the option A is the correct answer. Let's solve the next question. Find the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. So here the equation is given. You have to find the nature of the roots. So here to find the nature of the roots, the given equation is 2x square minus 3x plus 5. So you know when you have to find the nature of the roots, so we have to use the discriminant formula itself. So that is delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Again from the given equation, our a value is 2, b value is -3 and c value is 5. So by substituting the discriminant, delta is equal to minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 5. So here minus 3 whole square is nothing but 9, minus into plus is minus, minus into plus is minus, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So here 9 minus 40 is minus 31. So delta value is minus 31. So in the introduction part I have told you, whenever you are having negative value, that means there is no real roots. So when the delta is minus 31, that means it is delta is lesser than 0. If it is lesser than 0, that is no real roots. A option is the correct answer. In today's video, I have completed multiple choice questions from the chapter Quadratic Equation. So do practice well and do not forget to press like, share and subscribe button.